From vision to impact, from commitment to action. The Humanitarian Hub for Community Impact Affinity CIA, a transnational neutral NGO, championing United Nations in Nigeria and beyond, proudly announces her inaugural assembly, induction ceremony, and award banquet. This historic maiden event holds under the theme, Humanity at the Core, Strengthening Institutions for Sustainable Community Impact. The event takes place on Friday the 24th of April 2026 at the prestigious Army Headquarters Command, Officers Mess, Asokoro, Abuja. Activity commence at 9:00. Plenary session and workshop, followed by the induction ceremony and award banquet. On this landmark day, student members, professional members, and SDG ambassadors will be officially inducted into their respective portfolios, reaffirming CIA commitment to people-centered development, institutional strength, and global peace. Special recognitions will be conferred on outstanding individuals championing community development, as well as partners and supporters who have stood with CIA over the years in advancing sustainable development and international cooperation. This inaugural gathering is more than an event. It is a statement of purpose, a defining moment that sets the pace for progress, growth, and more impactful programs as CIA empowers her members and ambassadors to drive sustainable community transformation. Community Impact Affinity, where humanity leads and impact endures. For inquiry, call 08185170966. Announce it only Imika Asbenotwag for National Working Committee.